Okay, so we're putting a new toilet ring in, and I went to the store. I didn't know which size I needed, so I bought a bunch of them. This one was the most expensive one, number 10, extra thick, no screws in it, and the box was sealed. No screws. This one was like a medium price one. It's not as thick, but it came with screws. Now, does that make any sense at all? And then this one is just a simple ring. So I think I'll use the thick one. And the screws from the other one. I think I read somewhere you can heat these up. I guess it would help if we read the directions first. My fingers are getting all sticky. So there's a plastic ring here. That goes in there like that. Okay. Then when you set the toilet down on there, it smashes. Now, just so you know what's going on here, we're in an old house and the floor is not level. Okay, so this cast iron pipe, if yours breaks here, you can get like little steel things that you can sit on top of here and bolt it on. You don't have to replace the whole cast iron pipe. Okay, and then I just made this out of wood. I put the toilet on a piece of wood and traced it, so, and then that makes this level. And then these bolts, I can't rip it open, my fingers are all sticky. These bolts just, they just slide under here like that. And this one's nice because they give you these little things here, these little plastic things, that, so it holds it in place while you're putting the toilet on there. That's nice. That's the first time I've seen those. Yeah, it's just a little plastic thing. I think the one upstairs, we put another bolt on there to hold it in place while we set the toilet. So that might take a couple tries trying to get it lined up. Okay, so when you put the toilet down, you got to make sure you get it straight down so this smashes down properly. Because if you put the toilet down and try to slide it around, your seal won't be correct. So, I don't have my glasses on. Let me see if I can read it with these. Can't even read it with these on.
For one thing, the light ain't bright enough in here.
Yeah. Yeah, there ain't nothing to it. And then these would go on top. Give you stainless washers. Usually there's plastic washers. They got stainless washers here. They have plastic washers that go on top of the toilet so it doesn't break the porcelain. So I have plastic on these. I put these in the other holes, but maybe I'll use these on top. Then I'll get some more for the front bolts. Okay, so the tricky part is getting the toilet down on these two here. without breaking your back.
And you got to have that wood straight too, so it lines up with the bottom of the toilet.
Yeah, we were gonna put screws in this piece here, but we didn't have them in there before, so it should be okay.
So if it don't line up right, you can't move it either.
Yeah. We didn't have screws in it before, so if it's not right for 10 years, it should be okay.
This is why plumbers have helpers. They have another guy with them so he could...
Yeah. We've talked about putting new bolts in here. These bolts hold the toilet onto the tank. I don't think we've ever done that. We talked about doing it, but I don't know if we did or not. I think we did upstairs.
Well, if we didn't film it or write it down, we wouldn't remember.
Yeah, I should have watched my own videos before I started this, so I knew what I did. This ain't gonna be easy. So see here, this is an old toilet. There's 2 bolt holes. So the short ones that come with it go in here, and then I just put these long ones in here for added security. But I think most toilets now, they just have that one.
Yeah.
One on each side.
It doesn't hold them very sturdy then.
Yeah. Especially if you got a big guy in the house.
Yeah, I've seen some pretty big ones walking around the store.
Yeah. Walking around our house too.
A 400-pound guy sitting on the toilet busting it.
This ain't gonna be easy. It might take a couple tries. But you only get one try with the wax.
Yeah, I don't know how you did it before.
I was 10 years younger. They don't give you much room. Okay, they're in there.
It looks light in the camera, but it don't look light down there.
So don't tighten these up so much that you're going to crack the toilet. So I'm going to put the plastic one on first. Then I'll put that one on. And these are lock nuts. They got plastic inserts. You can use those twice if you have to take them off. Some people say you don't use them twice, but you can. We talked about putting in a new toilet when we did this years ago, but she wanted to keep the 5-gallon toilet. So.
Oh, you're talking about those, the one water saver?
Yeah, it's only
no thanks.
It's only 1.5 gallons.
My brother bought it one. He took it out and cleaned it up and took it back.
Yeah.
He said you had to flush it 3 times to get the stuff flushed. He put his old toilet back in.
And then I saw it on a video the other day too. They said everyone flushes them twice. So they're meant to save water, but they don't.
Yeah, they're not saving any water.
So that's all there is to it. and hope it don't leak.
You have to sit on it to make it, push it down firm, flat.
Well, you should have said that before I tightened it up.
Well, if you already got it tightened up, then just sit on it a little bit and see if it does anything else. See if that ring is squashed enough.
We'll know. We'll know if it's on right if it's leaking in the basement.
You notice how that cover is spongy?
Yeah. Okay, see ya. Bye.